In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perfectly align Docusign fields. Whether you're new to Docusign or just looking to refine your skills, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So let's get started. First things first, head over to the Docusign website. As one of the leading platforms for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, Docusign is your go-to tool for managing digital documents efficiently. You'll want to click on the login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to set one up, but once you're in, you'll be on your way to aligning those fields in no time. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Docusign homepage. This is where you can manage your documents, create new ones, and importantly, select templates. Templates are a fantastic feature of Docusign, allowing you to streamline your workflow. So go ahead and choose a template that suits your needs. Maybe it's one you've used before, or perhaps a new one you're trying out for the first time. Now that you've got your template, it's time to add the necessary details. This step might seem straightforward, but it's important to ensure all your information is correct and in the right place from the start. With your details added, you're now ready to move on to the next step. Click on the next button to proceed. This will take you to the page where you can start adding fields to your document. You should see a range of field options available, each designed to capture specific information needed for your document. Select the field you wish to use. It could be a signature field, date field, or perhaps an initial field. Once you have selected your field, it's time to position it correctly. This part is where precision comes into play. You simply drag the field to the desired location on your document. Being accurate here ensures your document looks professional and is easy for recipients to use. As you drag, you might notice alignment guides appearing. These are your best friends as they help you align your fields perfectly with each other and the rest of the document. Don't rush this step, take your time to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now be well equipped to align fields perfectly within Docusign. This skill will enhance the professionalism and clarity of your digital documents, making them easier for recipients to navigate and complete. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.